Okay, today is February 4th, 2011. I'm pulling out of my driveway. We had a blizzard blow through here a couple days ago, and so I'm going to kind of drive through my complex, and just kind of interesting to see. You see today's trash day. Yeah, it's kind of narrow in here, and oh boy. Yeah, I think our final total was like 20 inches of snow. Over here, this huge pile is right as we come into my complex. Sorry, I'm trying to drive, talk, and shoot here, but yeah, you can see we've kind of run out of places to stack our snow. And the side street there. Here. Yeah, you can see. Drive by that one house on the way back through. Sorry for it being so shaky. Yeah, it's kind of like everywhere you look, and just a big old pile of snow. And I figure the majority of this will still be here come the end of February, unless it should suddenly warm up. And obviously it'd have to warm up an awful lot. I'm going to turn around here, and you can see in the video I shot the day of the blizzard, everyone else is pretty much the same way as far as the amount of snow. There's the bobcats, I guess, that they were using to get some of the snow out of here. But yeah, so you can kind of see sort of slow going, and now we're just kind of heading back the way we came. Yeah. And this is the truth, I'm not sure. I think this is grass over here, but somehow it got plowed. I don't know, maybe the guys are just looking for some place to put snow. Yeah, so this was quite interesting. This is our this is our first blizzard since '99. It's first blizzard since I moved here, or moved in here, anyways. I've seen everybody else is kind of like me, where they just kind of made a little path to their door. So, here we're coming around the bend. This kind of reminds me a little bit of my childhood with some of the snow mountains, because we'd go ahead and, you know, you have a mountain like some of these, and we'd build tunnels underneath them. Of course, nowadays they tell you be careful because it'd collapse on you, kill you. We weren't real smart as kids. Still aren't. park, but that's a whole other story. And I'll take you by the front of my house again. Down there is another part of the complex. Oh, okay. Sorry for all the moving. And there's my house. And the sidewalk's actually pretty clear. My neighbor, and you can see she's got some huge drifts. And they kind of took a different path to the street. That was interesting. Okay. And this is kind of the back side of my building. And we're just about done. As you can see here, it's obviously someone decided to clear out their own spot so they could park. I'm guessing that's probably where they were at when the plows came through. And that's about it. So this was 2 days after the blizzard of 2011, and I've got some errands to do, so I'm going to end this video here, and hope you enjoyed it. Bye bye.